Hey guys, this is Marco Jovanovic-hacon. Today I'll be teaching you how to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Let's get to it. Woo! Okay, the first thing you need to do is scramble it up, so let's do that. Okay, so now that it's scrambled, what we're going to do is start assembling the center, just like the 4x4. So you're going to take this piece, and you're going to want to try to make the center line on top, like this. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is make another line. So we have this white one right here, and this one here, so we can put them together. And find the third white one, which is right here. So what we're going to do is rotate it sideways, put it here, rotate this back. So this is here and this is here. You're going to rotate this and put it together. So now 2/3 of the white center is done. And so now what we're going to do is do that for the last part of the white center. So as we noticed, there's these two on top, and we can just move this one down like this. So this one's here. And this one can also be moved down like that. But you see this is displaced. So you're going to go like that and move it back up. So now, as you can see, these are still on top. So you're going to want to go like the following. Put this one on the bottom here. Have this one here. Go like this to put them together. And then put this layer back down. So these two are together and this is right here. So now you're just going to put this last one there, and obviously this is here, so you're going to go like this. And so now finally, you're just going to put these together to make the white center. So now flip that cube over, we're going to start the yellow center. So as you can see, these two are already right here, and the third one's right here. So I make it so I can move this up, rotate it, and go back down. So now we have this line together. Now we're going to make these two lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine these two and then combine this one. So now we have the second line. And you're going to go up, rotate it twice, and go back down. This way, the white center stays intact and the yellow one's together. So now we're going to make the third line in the yellow center. So you're going to rotate this side twice, put these two together, and you see this one's on top. So you're going to want to move it down, rotate it to the side, and back up. Again, the white center stays intact. So now what you're going to do is move this like this, and then put them together to make a line. So now you're going to replace this other one, rotate it twice, and put that one back down. Okay, so now we have the white and yellow center. Okay, so now we're going to start the red center. So as you can see, we already have this line here, and what we're going to do is move that sideways. So we're going to make the next lines on other sides. So as you can see, these two are together, and this one's here, so I'll just move that, and then I put it with the red one. So this is 2/3 done. So now what we're going to do is, as we see these two are together and this one's here, we're going to go like that and that. So now I can just put them together like that, move it to the side, and move this one back down so that way the red center stays intact, and you can just put it together. Alright, so now the next one you're going to want to make is the green or blue center, whatever you want. They just need to be next to each other, not opposite of each other. So I'm going to do the blue center, and I go like this and put this one here. So now I can make the middle, but then again, I do this to ensure that this stays intact. Okay, so now I'm going to make the next line. So as you can see, there's these two over here, and I have this one right here. I go like this, this, and this. And then I'll do this, this, this. So now this is 2/3 done. And again, we're going to do the last center, so we do the same thing. And then like that, the blue centers together. Alright, so now the next one we're going to do is the orange center. So as you can see, this one is going to be harder, but we can still do it. So we want to make sure we can get after the middle line is done, we want to get the next line done. So we'll go like that, that, and that. So this is 2/3 done. And as we can see, it's going to be really hard to make it. So I'm going to teach you something called commutation. Okay, so let's say this one needs to go here. You're going to go up, and then you're going to move it to the side, and where that piece is now, you're going to go up. Then you'll do U prime, will go down, and then U, and back down. So now as you can see, that one's on top. You're just going to do that again. So this one needs to go here. You're going to go up, U prime, down, U, down. And this one's the last one left. So again, you're going to do the same thing. Put it where it needs to go. You're going to go here. So as you can see, we have all the centers done. Okay, the next step we need to do is the edges. So it's actually very similar to a 4x4, the way you would do them. And so you would start by aligning these two that can go together. You'd put them together, and then you do the same algorithm as the 4x4. But now you have to get the third part of this edge. So we're going to find it. It's right here. We're going to put them across from each other, and we're going to do the same. We're going to put them together, up, substitute it with another, and go back. So now we have this edge done. And you're just going to keep repeating that for the other edges. So I have these two together, and I need to get the third one, which is right here. Okay, so this edge is together. And you just keep doing that for 8 more, and then once you have the last 2, I will tell you what to do. Okay, so now that I'm at the last 2 edges, you may notice there's not a third one to substitute. So what you're going to do is, instead of doing the thing where you would put it here and then go like this, you're actually just going to move it up and around to the other side, so this one and this one are opposite. So now you're going to do this. So you put them together and you do the following algorithm. R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R, and then you put them back together. So yes, these 2 edges are together, but you may notice something called parity, which is where one of them is flipped, and I will show you the algorithm to fix this. Okay, so with the parity edge on top, you're going to do the following. RR2, B2, U2, LL, U2, RR prime, U2, RR, U2, F2, RR, F2, LL prime, B2, RR2. And so that has fixed the edge. And now there's just this one, so you do the same. Okay, so now all the edges are complete. So now the final step of this is to solve it like a 3x3. So we just act as all 3 edges are 1 and all the centers are 1. And so now you're just going to do that. You can use whatever method you want, whether it be beginner's method, CFOP, whatever. Okay, so after that, your cube should be solved. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave any suggestions for future videos in the comments down below. Have a great day. Bye bye.